What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube music on your PC or on your mobile. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Okay guys, all what you need to do, just find your song you want to download and you will see here download. Click on it. You can download this on standard and high definition. Just go here, try for free. Put your credit card information like me and go here buy. When I click download, you will see your download is beginning. In the left corner you can also see your video, it has been downloaded. Go in the left corner in the library, you will see downloads and your video is here. Also you will get 1 month free of YouTube music. Okay, I show you now how to download songs on YouTube music. Just open home like me. Go here, try 1 month for zero cost, click on it, put your information like me and go here buy. This is how to download song on your mobile with YouTube music. I show you one more thing, just open YouTube Studio like me, in top of your studio link, just add here /music and hit enter and you will see here audio library. You can also download this song and put it on your videos. Just find song what you want and go here download and save your song on your PC. The same way is on your phone. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download YouTube music on your PC or on your phone. If this guide helps you, share with your friend and hit subscribe button. I see you in the next video. Bye guys.